Here's an easy DIY pumpkin treat box that you can give out at Halloween trick-or-treaters, or you can just use as a decoration. First, you're going to start out with a piece of paper that's square, and you're going to fold it as shown. Now take all of these inner corners and fold them inwards like this. Once you're done doing that, fold this edge into the center and do the same for the other side. Unfold it and do the same for this side and this side. You're finally done folding, and you can cut out this side, this side, this side, and this side. At this point, you might want to color it. Now that you've got it colored, as you can see, I've put two black lines here, not before this fold here. And my stems are past this fold here. So you can cut out all this white here, and the same on the other side, and then cut slits right where these little black lines are. I've finished cutting it out, and this is how you fold it. Flip it over, fold these, fold the stems up, fold them together, and then you're going to pull them through these slots. Here it is, your finished pumpkin box. And you can put candy in there. You can tape it if you want it to be a little more secure. Happy Halloween!